Just brought this 5 horsepower Mercury, not running at the moment, so let's see if we can get it to go. Taking the air filter or more of an air duct off. I'll take this carburetor off. It's been sitting for a long time, so it's probably gunked up. Okay, so if I turn the fuel on, it won't even flow through, so we've got a blockage in the fuel line already. Let's take that out. She's back together now. Put some fuel in and see if it'll go. Alright, she runs good, but the impeller's not pumping water consistently, so I'm going to pull this leg off and have a look at the impeller. Yeah, she's no good, mate. Stink. Okay, it's about 10 days later. My new impellers come from China, all of about $4. Let's put it on. On this 3.3 horsepower motor, I've put a different propeller on. It had this one on here. This is off a little 5 horse Johnson. Let's see if that does any better. Okay, we're out here loaded up, ready to test the boat out. That's the harbour side over there, is quite choppy because it's windy, but out this side it's pretty clear. It goes up a river. We'll try go out that way. Okay, we're out here ready to launch. Stephen's going to be in the one with the 5 horse. I'm going to be in this one because it planes with this little motor. Even got some safety gear this time. It's already raining, but water's not too cold. Yeah, so the long tail would work in this easy as. Outboards are just a bit more easy to manage on these little boats. Wow, the rain is so bad. I'm just hiding under this big, what is it, a Putakawa tree. And my brother's over there hiding over another one. So he's got the 5 horse and he reckons he couldn't even go full throttle because it felt like he was going to get thrown out. This is going worse with the different propeller on it. And the weather is not good. So we're going to wait out here for a bit, hopefully it stops. Stephen's spot's even better than mine. He's almost in a cave. And he's got shallow water here. We might swap the motors over while we're here. And I'll see if I can run this one at full throttle on this boat. Okay, so now that we're over in Stephen's Bay, we're going to swap motors over, but we've just come up with an idea. Let's clamp these 2 hulls together and see if we can make a little catamaran, eh? Well, it depends how good we can get the clamp. We might need another piece of wood. We can probably find a stick or something. I know I saw a good piece of wood over there. Stephen reckons he's seen a fence batten over there, so he's going to go paddle over and get it so we can do our tie together plan. The rain's starting to back off too, which is good. Found it. The swaps. Okay, Stephen's going to do the first test with this motor. Need to break this wood for our catamaran setup. Go, Stephen. Oh, yes.
Oh, it's sort of webbed.
Yeah, that's probably all we need.
Yeah.
Maybe do it again, see if we can get a half that.
Yeah.
There was a knot there, that's why it broke. Where did that go? That was just about an eye injury. Into our PPE.
Yeah.
Is this dodgy?
How old are those? Are those clamps real grunty?
Yeah, man. Pretty grunty. Sure. Stephen was just saying it's a tandem sink mission now. Let's see if I can get some of this water out with my crock here. Why's it got so many holes in it? Okay, do that up somehow. Alright, there's the catamaran boat all set up. We've got a combined of 8.3 horsepower here. Twin hull. It's going to boogie down.
Going sideways.
Phone's too wet to work. I want to do the speed app, but I can't. Oh my god.
I'm gonna growl you for all this.